it's Tom Fresh Vintage. Today we're installing another CarABC wireless USB adapter. This is specifically for Android Auto. And to unbox this while we're talking, if you've not seen our other video, this is the exact same unit as the other one that we put in Jay's Accord. This one is geared for Android Auto, and the one we put in Jay's Accord is for Apple CarPlay. With that, there's not a whole lot in here. We have the unit itself. There is an instruction manual, which I believe I have taken out of here and put somewhere, forgive me. Piece of foam, and then we have a USB-C to USB-A and a USB-C to USB-C. With that, this is pretty easy to install, and the one tricky part that might cause us an issue is firmware update. We're going to try that and see if it works here. We're going to try it right now. So we're just going to plug this in, and the idea is it is as simple as plugging this in, and then your light will come on. And once that light comes on, we can connect this via Bluetooth. But we're going to connect this right now and see if we can get it to work. If it won't work, we're going to have to update the firmware. But we'll be right back, and we're going to connect this via Bluetooth. Okay, so awesome news. This is actually connected. You can see we are wirelessly connected. We have Android Auto on the screen here. And with that, there's a few things you want to watch for. This worked the first time, so it's worked beautifully. You're going to see SmartBox something XXXX, so you want to be looking for this to show up in your Bluetooth. Once you connect to this, you should set your phone up to auto connect to it. In this case, it's automatically connecting. So when we turn the truck on, this throws a Bluetooth signal out. This sees it, it auto connects, and Android Auto comes up maybe 30 seconds later. So worked first time, really awesome. If for some reason it doesn't work for you, you just go to their handy dandy user manual here, and from there you just go to the one page that says update the firmware. So just go right in here and you can download the firmware, and you'll download it through your phone directly into the CarABC unit. But with that, this is a great unit. Definitely recommend it. If you use Android Auto and you want wireless, which is exactly what this customer wanted, now you have it, and you don't have to connect to the actual radio or to the car again. With that, if you like muscle cars, if you like classic cars, if you like tech, if you like DIY repair, if you like scan tools, Fresh Vintage is your channel. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.